How to install your Alpha Plus. Turn off the main valve and remove the flexible hose. Ensure the O-ring is properly seated inside the female adapter. Screw the female adapter to the main valve and tighten using a wrench. Reattach the existing flexible hose. Wrap the hoseball valve thread with Teflon tape. Screw the hoseball valve onto the female adapter and tighten using the wrench. Unscrew the nut and insert the big hose. Push the big hose into the hoseball valve. Then screw the nut and tighten using the wrench. Unscrew the nut on the unit inlet and insert the big hose. Connect the big hose to the unit inlet. Screw the unit to the wall. Drill a hole 10 mm in size and install the Megafresh faucet. Connect the small hose into the Megafresh faucet. Unscrew the nut to remove the hose connection between the third and fourth stage. Unscrew the nut on the fourth stage outlet. Insert the small hose and connect it to the third stage outlet. Turn on the main valve, hoseball valve, and Megafresh faucet. Run continuously for 3 to 5 minutes to flush out the carbon residue from the third cartridge. After flushing, turn off the hoseball valve. Unscrew the nut to remove the hose from the third stage outlet and connect it to the fourth stage outlet. Connect the hose between the third and fourth stage. Turn on the hoseball valve and Megafresh faucet. Run continuously for 3 to 5 minutes to flush out the carbon residue from the fourth cartridge. Drink and breathe fresh with Megafresh.